just finished the conversion code certification with Chris Smith. It was absolutely amazing. I'm super excited to go back to the other IPA members and deliver the message that we got.
One of the best trainings that we've ever had here at this office.
I've learned some new scripts that I haven't seen before.
Has been so attentive to really focus on listening, having a better communication with our client.
I've learned how to take something that everybody else is saying and turn it into a power question.
I highly recommend this training. It will take your team to the next level.
If you want to be a consultant and not a salesperson, I definitely recommend this course.
If you get the chance to get this training, do not pass it up. It is absolutely phenomenal.
My name is Chris Smith,
and we are Conversion Code Certified.